So tonight we flip the Mini. It's going up on its side because I don't have a jig. And it should make it a lot easier to do the other side sill and clean up the floor. So look at the moon. It's supposed to be some kind of special super moon, but who knows. Anyway. Let's just go for it. Okay, committed. Yeah, ready? It's going, it's going. Is it on the wood?
Yeah, it's on the wood.
Good enough. Oh, here on that rust. Is the rope ball going to hit the ground?
It's tough to tell at the moment. I'd say just keep going. You know, I think it's going to be okay. I'm struggling to see.
Sorry, don't get squashed. Mint.
I think we're alright. Yeah, I think you're pretty good actually.
Well, it's definitely on the side. How much easier would that be to work on now? It means that I can clean up the whole floor easily and then stone chip it.
So yeah. Just do this, replace this.
Yeah, just replace outer sill and inner sill. Most of it's pretty solid. The floor's alright. But it has been sat. Well, it has been off the road since '95. So. Right, so there we go, boys. That was a lot easier than I thought it'd be. Ooh, a red Mini! Never seen one of those before. Just a little bit yellow. Here, boy! Alright, see you later. Right, so big thanks to Chris, John and Ben for giving me a hand flipping this up on its side. It's going to be so much easier to clean up the floor and cut off that sill. If we, I was just giving it a quick scrape, with a scraper, and it's not welded in very many places, so it shouldn't be too hard to get that off. And then you can have another look at the inner sill, see what state that is in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff that people do. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.